Have you ever been in a situation where you are so distracted while studying, and then you realize you have no idea what you just read? Or maybe you are struggling to complete your work and are feeling frustrated with your progress? If yes, then this video is for you. We all know that studying can be one of the most difficult tasks for anyone, but it's not impossible. In this video, we will go over some tips and tricks to help you focus on your studies better, manage your time, and increase productivity. You can learn how to focus on studies and improve your concentration with a few simple steps. One of the first things you need to do is to create a study schedule that's well organized with your priorities defined. When you're preparing for an exam or working on an important assignment, it's tempting to try to cram everything into a short period. But the best thing to do is to begin studying early and spread out your study sessions. This will allow you to take breaks and prevent you from overworking or getting burned out, ultimately helping you to remain focused over an extended period. Create a study plan. Incorporate study plans into your daily routine. They can help you to stay on track and also serve as a motivator to keep going. Use Pomodoro technique. Try the Pomodoro technique to increase productivity and concentration. This involves studying for 25 minutes, followed by taking a 5-minute break. Introduce time management. Effective time management can help you to make the most of your day. Prioritize your study goals, find the right work environment, and limit any distractions to maximize efficiency. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking is a surefire way to reduce productivity and increase distractions. To stay focused on your studies, work on one task at a time and avoid interrupting your work to respond to notifications. Reduce distractions. One of the easiest ways to increase your focus on studies is by reducing or removing distractions. If possible, turn off your phone or place it out of reach, and let people around you know that you're studying. Try to set up a quiet space to study that is free from any distractions. By using these tips, you can learn how to focus on your studies better and improve your concentration. Take the time to figure out which tips work best for you and incorporate them into your routine. Remember, studying is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and everyone is different. What's important is that you experiment with different strategies until you find the ones that help you learn better and remember more. With a little patience and dedication, you can become a focused and productive student who excels in academics.